Hi guys, welcome back to a new class. My name is Kalia, and today we're gonna be working on a sequence of stretches that help open up our shoulders and our upper back and lower back. With that said, let's get started. Finding a tall spine with cross-legged on your mat. Ground down with your two sitting bones. Take a deep breath in as you extend your arms to the outside and reach over your head. And as you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center to Anjali Mudra. 2 more times like this. Big breath in, reach your arms overhead and look up. And exhale, bring your hands at your heart center. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms, and as you exhale, bring your left hand on your right knee and your right fingertips come behind your back. And inhale, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, twist your body to your right side. And imagine every time you inhale, you are lengthening through your spine. And every time you exhale, twist your upper body a little bit deeper to your right side. And look at one spot that does move. And breathe, squeezing out any toxins or negativity. On your next inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean your body to your left side, feeling that nice yummy stretch in your right side body. And breathe space into the area that is stretching right now. And then gently bring your right hand on your left knee and inhale, lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, fold over, bow yourself in, and make sure that your sitting bones are still connected to the earth. And start feeling you are getting more space in your upper back. And gently roll yourself up, and you can hug your shoulders with your hands, or you can come to an eagle arm. So your right arm on top of your left, and you can make your palms come to touch. Or if that's a little too much for you today, you can actually bring the backs of your hands come to touch. And then as you inhale, start lifting your elbows up and away from your face, feeling that nice stretch in your upper back. And as you exhale, elbows down and look down, feeling that stretch in your shoulder areas. Okay, inhale, elbows up and look up. Say hello to the sky. And as you exhale, grounding down yourself, bow yourself in. Say hello to the earth. And then come back to center. And release those hands onto your knees. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So switch your legs. Find your tall spine again, resetting your sitting bones on your mat. Inhale, extend your arms to the outside and up and look up. Exhale, right hand on top of your left knee and left fingertips come behind your back. And inhale, lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, twist to your left side. Steady gaze, steady mind. Take one more deep breath in, creating more space between each vertebrae. And as you exhale, twist a little bit deeper. As you inhale, reach your left arm up and lean to your right side as you exhale. And feel that nice stretch along your left side body. And keep breathing nice and full. Allow your body to feel into this deep stretch. And gently bring your left hand on top of your right knee. And root your sitting bones even deeper to the ground to create more space in your lower back. And feel that nice opening sensation in your upper back. And gently roll yourself up. You can hug yourself with your hands and simply breathe in here or find your eagle arm. So Take a deep breath in as you start lifting your elbows up and look at the sky, and your hands are away from your face. As you exhale, chin to your chest and elbows down. And deep breath in, elbows up and look up. And as you exhale, elbows down and chin to your chest. And inhale up, feeling that nice stretch in your upper back. And exhale and look down, elbows down. Feel those stretches in your shoulder areas. And inhale, come back to center and release those hands on your knees or thighs. And simply feel this beautiful prana, the energy traveling through your body. And plant your right fingertips on your mat. Take a deep breath in, reach your left arm up. Exhale, lean your torso to your right side. And feel that stretch in your left side body. And keep rooting down with your left sitting bone to the earth. Big breath into the fingertips, reach further. And from here, start reaching forward through your left fingers, hovering the floor, and your right arm to follow. And plant your left hand behind your left thigh, and right arm up and over to your left side. And feel that nice stretch in your right side body. And big breath into the fingertips. And then as you exhale, same thing again. Start reaching forward through your right hand, hovering the floor, like sweeping the floor. And then plant your right palm on your mat and left arm up and over to the right side and look at the sky. And keep rooting down with your left sitting bone to the earth. And inhale. And then as you exhale, turn your torso to your right side and reach forward. And plant your left palm on your mat and right arm up and over this time. And look at the sky and keep rooting down through your right sitting bone to create more space in your right side body. Inhale. And then exhale, reaching forward through your right hand and left arm up and over. Feel that nice stretch in your left side body, creating more space. And then turn your torso to the right side and reach forward through your hands and plant your left hand on your mat and right arm up and over to the left side. And look up. And left arm up and bring your hands at your heart center to Anjali Mudra. Nice. Beautiful job, Yogi. Alright. And now bring your left leg on the bottom and your right leg on top, making sure your knees are in one straight line in the center. And grab the arches of your feet with your hands and inhale, finding tall spine, and as you exhale, fold over your thighs. And you can stay here or you can come to your elbows with your palms facing up and breathe in this pose. And drop your upper body weight to your thighs so you feel more sensation in your hip areas. And simply let go of any ideas or thoughts and emotions right now. And slowly press yourself up back to center. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So your right leg on the bottom and bring your left leg on top. Make sure your knees are in one straight line. And grab the arches of your feet with your hands. And big breath in, finding tall spine. Exhale, bow yourself in, fold over your legs. And breathe here. And bring your awareness into your upper back. And inhale, find your upper body getting bigger and bigger. And as you exhale, drop your upper body weight onto your thighs. And let go of anything that doesn't serve you. We no longer welcome that thought or emotion anymore. It's time to leave out of my mind and my body. And gently roll yourself up. Bring your feet on your mat a little wider than your hip distance and knees together, hands behind your butt. And we're gonna do some windshield wipering to our legs. So start dropping your knees to one side and the other. Do this several times with your own pace. We are promoting a better circulation in our lower body because we've been sitting quite a while. And then come back to center. And extend your legs in front of you and start shaking out your legs and making some half circles through your ankles, and maybe start wiggling your toes and making some baby circles with your toes. And then we're gonna come back finding a nice city pose. And gently close your eyes and start feeling that openness and that space you created yourself in your upper body and your mind. And bring your hands at your heart center, giving lots of love and gratitude to yourself to set this time for your practice and your health and well-being. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. See you soon. Love you.